Yeah, let me do it on the box. Which one you want it on?
I had a big box over here. Out of all the things to clean up, people took my box. Oh, here you go.
I don't know. Whatsoever you gonna do.
Peachy Key.
Somebody, I need a second opinion.
Keto Krate. Oh, don't fall.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, that's good enough.
That's good.
Can you see this?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Yeah, but when you put it down, you can't see it.
Child, I mean,
All right.
man, it's about to fall all over.
All right. Yeah, that's good like that.
Woo! Hello, everyone, and welcome to Pastor Kim's Corner. Yes, it's me, Pastor Kim. And look what I have. I have my first Keto Krate. Hey, Keto Krate. Hey, Keto Krate. I'm just not
Okay.
very, I'm not very good at jingles. Welcome back. My kids say I make every song sound like a church song.
Well, if the shoe fits wearing.
I hope you know I'm taping. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Well, how you do around? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome. Hey everyone, and I have my Keto Krate. I'm so excited. This is my first Keto Krate, and let's see what we have in here. It's the March 2020 Keto Krate. It was on sale for $27.99, and you get one a month. And let's just jump into it and see what we have right here. All right, guys, so we're here with the Keto Krate. Let's see what we have. This is my first one.
I can kiss you on camera.
And so we're going to see what we have. So the first thing we have is, see, and it's reading backwards, but I'll put it up so you can see it. It is nacho flavored pork rinds. Chicharrones. Nacho flavored pork rinds. Well, you know pork rinds, they don't have any carbs or any sugar, and it's nacho flavored. So let's see. Nacho flavored pork rinds. Let me just clean my glasses. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Purify and cleanse this crate in Jesus' name.
Does she have to get the whole prayer in where she can edit it where we're not like. All right, y'all. Love y'all too.
Love you.
Love you too. I'll make it a semi-heavy.
Okay, so these don't taste that much different to me than regular nacho cheddar pork rinds. Y'all see that hand going in there? Nacho cheddar pork rinds. I could definitely eat those, not bad. This is Almond Expresso chocolate keto cups. Total carbs 9. That's a lot of carbs. 9 carbs for one piece. Oh, but that's a nice big size. You know, I made some chocolate cups called Fat Bombs. I guess if you wanted to eat half of it, my first Keto Krate. I'm excited. So this is what it looks like up close. It's got some little almonds on top. It is dark chocolate. I'm gonna take a bite. It's bitter. Definitely dark chocolate. Definitely an acquired taste, because that is bitter. Is that going to satisfy my sugar craving? No. But it's not bad. But it's not that good either. I need some water to clean my palate. Okay, we have sea salt pecans. All natural roasted pecans and sea salt. Those taste good. Definitely taste good, y'all. You get a lot of stuff in this little package. Okay, next we have something called wisps. 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 Oh, I didn't tell you. The pecans have four carbs for a serving of 14 pieces. 4 carbs and 1 gram of sugar. So that's good. The Parmesan Crisps. The Parmesan Crisp are 1 carb per serving, 13 grams of protein. It's gluten-free, no sugar, and a serving is about 13 crisps, and it's about 2 servings in this bag. So that's 1 gram. So this whole bag is 2 grams, y'all. 2 grams. Look at the camera. 2 grams. Let's see what this is. It is light and airy. And let's see what the ingredients are. Parmesan cheese, pasteurized skim milk, cheese culture, sea salt, and enzymes. So it really is what it says it is. Just some Parmesan cheese in a little circular pattern or whatever. Mold. You could probably make these yourself. These are good. I could do this. This is going to cure the salt. This is going to cure the salt chip craving. If you get tired of pork rinds, would you like it? I hope you don't, because I do. I like these. These are good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Parmesan Crisp. Very good. And so far we got 1, 2, 3, 4 items. The next item is a Keto Chocolate Almond Butter Bar. I'm gonna have to put all this stuff in a Ziploc. Keto Chocolate Almond Bar by Keto Logic. This has, ooh, I don't understand. Wait a minute. Well, hold up. Wait a minute. This has 14 carbs. Psh, throw it away. 14 carbs in 1 bar? Why? Why? Why 14 carbs in 1 bar? I'm not even going to taste this. 14 carbs in 1 bar. So, let me get to the fat bar. Fat bar, that's what it's called. F-A-T-T, fat bar. It's made with caramel and sea salt. 0 added sweeteners, 2 grams of net carbs, non-GMO. Okay? So let's see what we got here. It says total carbs 12. So they must figure out what the net carbs are. That must have been the same with this. Oh, yeah, because this says net carbs of 3. And so what does that mean? Anybody know what that means when they say net carbs? You know, like gross and net, your gross salary. And then after FICA come and visit you, is your net salary. When I meet FICA, we're going to have a fight, okay? Fat bar. So I'm going to taste this one. This looks like something that's going to get stuck in my teeth. Look at that. That does not look tasty. Caramel and sea salt. That's okay, but it's okay. I would try to make this myself. That's just okay. Next is Keto Chocolate with pumpkin seeds and sea. 1 gram of net carbs, 0 sugar, and 13 grams of fat. So yeah, it says the total carbs are 12, and then the net carbs 1 gram. So I'm gonna have to Google that. Net carbs. So guess what, guys? This is what it looks like. Can y'all see that? That's what it looks like. I'm gonna have to put all this stuff in Ziploc bags. So I'm just breaking off a little piece to taste it. Not bad. That dark chocolate is strong. And that has sea salt. Okay, so let's see. I've got a yes on the Parmesan cheese crisp. I got a yes on the pecan sea salt. Pecans with sea salt. Yes on the nacho cheddars. I'm going to say a yes on the ketogenic chocolate, pumpkin seeds, and sea salt. It's not a strong yes, but it's a yes. I didn't open this yet to try it. The Almond Expresso. No, I'm going to go with a no. With the Almond Expresso. The Fat Bar. I'm going to go with a no for the Fat Bar. And then I have a few more items, and then we're done. I think it's worth $27.99. Okay, this is called Keto Bark. My favorite milk chocolate. Keto Bark. It has pecans in it. It's soy-free. It is sweetened with monk fruit. Okay, we're going to find that out. Carbs are 10 carbs per 1 ounce serving, and it's about 6 servings in here. It doesn't have a net carb. So let's see what this is. What this is all about. Oh, wow, y'all. Wait, hold up. It's little packs. Look. So they're all individualized bark. So, okay, let's go back. That's a lot of carbs for somebody who's going out of their way to make a low-carb product. And then you go out of your way to make a low-carb product, and you end up with 10 carbs. That's a lot for the package. But let's see. It's milk chocolate, so it's already good. And this is what it looks like. I just can't believe this is 10 carbs. Okay? You know it's good. It has pecans. It's milk chocolate. And it's 10 carbs. That is not keto light, but this is good. This is definitely good. I feel kind of guilty eating this. 10 carbs. Okay. Okay, we have the IQ bar. The IQ bar is 6 brain nutrients, 11 plant protein, 1 total sugar, 4 net carbs. Oh no, I can't eat this. It's peanut butter, and I'm allergic to peanut butter. So that's 2 things that I didn't open. 2 things that I didn't open. I might do a giveaway. Anybody want to try keto peanut butter? Keto peanut butter, I could give that away. Put a comment down below, because you know that won't hardly cost nothing to send. And this is a keto cookie by Lenny and Larry's. I've seen these in the store. A keto cookie by Lenny and Larry's. It is a chocolate chip. Hold on. 8 grams of protein, 3 net carbs. Where's it getting the protein from? And let's see. It's crumbling before I take it out the pack. So it's already a little crumbly. You know that almond flour crumbly texture? And it looks like it's definitely cooked with almond flour. Let me try to show y'all. It's crumbling, like I said, already. And let's see, you know, gotta be able to make a good chocolate chip. That's a no. So let's see how many items we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it was 10 items. So at $27.99, that's not bad. That is not bad at all to have 10 items for $28. So that's less than $3 an item. And you know, and I know that if you're really into keto and you buy something in the store, it's likely not going to be under $3 for the keto item. My all-time favorite on the sweet was the no sugar added chocolate with a crunch, the Choc Zero. I would definitely go on the Keto Krate website and order these. This is a good craving, but again, I'm just a little confused because it's a total of 10 carbs. Delish, my all-time favorite on the sweet. So that's a yes. Once again, a yes on the Parmesan, a yes on the pecans, a yes on the nacho cheddar. So that's 4 yeses. Do I have a yes on anything else? 4 yeses. The Keto Bar, chocolate almond bar, I didn't try that. And the peanut butter bar, I didn't try that. So that's 6 items. 4, 5, 6. Those are unknown. And then the ketogenic sea salt. I'm going to go with a yes on this. Let me see. So that's 5 yeses. I'm not really. I'm going to go with a maybe. A maybe on that. Because the sea salt and the bitter dark chocolate, it just depends. And then for me, you got to have that crunch, because those 2 things together, I got to crunch. I got to be able to bite into a pumpkin seed to sort of level that off. So that's 4 and a possible. So that's it for my first Keto Krate. And we'll be doing one. It comes in the beginning of the month. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, post a comment, hit the notification bell, and share, 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 share. Sharing is caring. So don't forget to share. I do love you with the love of the Lord. I hope you have a blessed day and a purpose-filled life. And you know that I love you with that agape love. Be blessed.